Hello guys, welcome to another video from our channel Grobs Review Unbox. Today we're gonna do a quick review here on the voltage test pen, okay, that I bought uh, on Shopee website. Okay, so if you didn't see yet the unbox video, I will get the link here in the card. Okay, so let's go. So here is the voltage tester pen. Okay, so let's turn it on. So here I just plug two wires in my outlet here. Okay, so I'm in Brazil, so the common voltage here is 127 volts. Okay, so here we can see, okay, so when you try to measure or see if this wire here has any voltage on that, it's not happen. Okay, and when you go to the red one, we can see like the pen starts to blink and emitting some sounds. Okay, so what does it mean? For here in my outlet, the red wire, it means that this is the phase. Okay, so we have energized this one, and the other wire is the neutral. Okay, so if you are looking for like for example 220 voltage outlet, so the green and the red one should be flashing and emitting sounds. Okay, so this is a very cool gadget to have at home. Okay, if you like to see or fix something by electricity. Okay, so it's very cheap and very good to have on hands. Okay, it's a very short review today. I will put the link here in the description of this video if everyone is interested to buy one. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. So hit the like button if you like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet, and share this video with all your friends. Thank you.